setting up a squirrel trap for this. A squirrel trap.
Well, I'm trying to talk to him, so, because I don't know what the hell it is.
Wait for it, wait for it.
It's two of them. Trying to think of what I even put it.
Hey, bird!
So,
Bro. The animals. They love it.
now there's like 2 something in there.
They love it.
But we need to go to the store, so.
The animals love it. No, bro. When's another animal gonna come? Oh, bro, there's a cardinal. There's a cardinal.
Yeah.
Guys, there's a cardinal.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm getting so much nature right now.
What's that?
Will the cardinal feed on it? Bro, this is rare.
I don't even know if it's still good. That's been here for like a week.
Look at all the birds. Cardinal. Cardinal.
Botulism or something. Well, don't eat it just because you don't want it to waste.
They took it. Bro, they're taking everything. All the nuts are leaving. It's so cute.
I know, and there's a reason
Oh.
why my grandmother got botulism, right? From eating stuff out of the fridge they shouldn't be, so don't be doing it.
It's so cute.
I'm serious.
It's so
That shit
cute.
can kill you.
Bro, just look at all of them.
I
Oh, bro, the cardinals.
thought out, put out some butter and soften.
Oh, oh my gosh. It's just feeding on it. It's just feeding. Bro, it's so cute how animals just feed on stuff.
I can't understand what you're saying.
It's so cute. Let's see if we can find the cardinal again.
I'll probably be home around 8 or 9-ish.
I don't see a cardinal. It's not a cardinal anymore. Bro, that was a one time in a lifetime. We caught it on video too. Oh my gosh. All the birds are over there. Oh, the cardinal. Oh, bro, cardinal, come on.
Yeah.
Cardinal, please show.
Alright, I love you.
There he is, he's right there, you see? You see it?
What's that, man?
I'm making a video.
Oh.
So, but it's like not a short, it's like a full video. Zoom in on this. He's eating again. Oh my god, that's so cute. And there's also a cardinal out there. Oh my god. Bro, I wonder how much views this is gonna get. Because like all these animals eating all these nuts, bro. A little woodpecker came up and took one earlier in like the start of the video. So like,
Sure it was a woodpecker?
yeah. And we also had a cardinal over here. There was a cardinal, and he's still over there, but he's behind like stuff, and so it can't see it. But only I can, because I'm in 4K HD in real life. Your eyes are able to do that a lot. I'm trying to get this the perfect size. That's perfect. But wait for it. Boy, I know. Boy, no. Hey, bro. You hear the whistles?
Mm-hmm.
It's that nature. Hold on, let me go out for a second. It's so cute. Let's feed him another one. Woo, bro, it's chilly. Woo. Oh, guys, I can't find him. I can't get him to. I can't get him to. I know, but he'll come back soon. So I'm going to pause it until he comes back. Bro, look at the squirrel. Look at the squirrel. I'm going to cut it again until he comes back down. Oh, National Geographic here, and this is a shaky camera. National Geographic here. This is the squirrel. As you can see here, you see a squirrel onto your left. And what else can you find here? Over there you see a homeless person. Trust me, we're not in New York. But here we go. That is a squirrel. I don't know what I'm to say. Oh, bro, bird just flew past. Bird. I don't know what else to say, because I'm just a geographic version. And so, I'm gonna, cut it to, when he comes down and gets a squirrely snack. That's my Nana! Alright, guys, he's not seeming to come down, so I'm just gonna end the video here with him.